So hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing video of the NiSi Explorer Edition 6-stop ND filter. So this is a nicely packaged product first of all by Amazon, and they actually delivered it to me in one day, and it's very nicely wrapped by them. And this is the ND6 6-stop ND64i, I'm sorry, 6-stop Explorer Edition ND filter by NiSi. So let's open it. So I already opened it to check that everything is intact. So this is the soft pouch that you get along with the filter. It's a nice pouch, has proper soft coating inside to protect the filter, but I will be mostly using the another soft pouch that I have with the starter kit. It has this velcro to unlock, and there is the 6-stop ND filter. It's again nicely packed in 2 layers. This is the Explorer edition. So Explorer is just a special type of glass that NiSi uses, where they have specially hardened it so that even if you drop this filter accidentally, which actually I'm not gonna try, they say that it should survive. And there are a lot of videos that you can watch. I will share the links where people have dropped and these filters haven't been affected at all. So quality wise, it doesn't have that purplish coating that I saw with the ND10 stop filter of NiSi that I got with the starter kit, but it has a little bluish tint, if you can see there. So if you haven't watched the starter kit unboxing video, do check out. In that video you can clearly see there is a purplish tint on the on the filter, but overall the quality feels premium. It has the same inline on the inner side so that it blocks the light from entering as well as cleans the filters. And overall, when I will actually use it in the field, I will be able to give the review. So till then, keep following the channel, keep subscribing on the YouTube channel as well as follow the Instagram channel, and I will see you soon with the detailed review in the field. Bye bye.